Hi, Mark here, Managing Director of All My Systems, helping companies grow by sorting out their business systems properly. Now then, on AMS TV this time, the reason I'm holding up a map, and this is a printed map from Google, because we did a little search around the team and no one had a map in the car in this day and age when we have sat-navs. So Google came to the rescue with a map printouts. So the reason I've got that is because I want to talk about customer journey mapping and the customer journey experience that your customers who you're serving right now, the experience that they have when they deal with your company. And when your company has got 5, 10, 15, 50, 100 people working in it, the experience that your customer gets is absolutely dependent on every member of staff within your business and every member of your team doing exactly what you expect them to do in terms of the standards of delivery of your product or your service. And I ran a workshop a week ago, and it was absolutely enlightening for the participants that were there because we mapped out all of the attitudes and the behaviours of customers in particular parts of the buying cycle. And a couple that we focused on were the proposal process in kind of a B2B scenario. And what came out of that was a set of actions that the customer takes and the attitudes and feelings they have about the business or their purchase at a point in time. We then looked at all the people in the business and the people at the customer's perspective involved in delivering that product and that service. And it was a really fascinating step to go through, because what we found out for each of the companies within the workshop is a real moment that matters for these companies when you have a look down that particular point in time where you have a mixture of a customer's emotion, their attitude, their buying kind of perspective at that point in time and the people involved. We've uncovered some transformational impact that if the companies put that into, kind of implement that into their businesses, it's going to have a really profound effect on the success of the proposals that they keep sending out, and hopefully an increased conversion rate. And as you can see, this is quite an exciting topic because it's underpinning everything that we do in business to try and get more customers. And yes, we need CRM systems and databases to help us manage the data behind it, but actually there's a bigger piece behind this, and that's the processes and the journey mapping involved in getting customers to buy from you and then to stay with you and hopefully recommend your services and your products to other people, so that encourages referrals and more repeat business. It's a really nice thing to get right, and these workshops prove very, very, very useful for companies to step back, work on their business, remove themselves from the busyness of being in their business day to day, and take a fresh perspective on how they could potentially improve the customer journey in their business for a particular department where it would have a massive impact. So it was a really exciting workshop. It's something that could potentially be very useful for your business out there. And if you want to find out more information, please just drop us a line and get in touch. I hope that's been useful, and we'll see you on the next AMS TV. Bye for now.